To manage and protect closed surgical incisions that continue to drain following sutured or stapled closure, versatile and portable Prevena therapy is the clear and proven choice. This video will serve as a brief outline of the application of the Prevena Plus customizable system, which enables the use of negative pressure incision management on linear, non-linear, and intersecting incisions up to 90 centimeters in length. Before applying the dressing, the site should be prepared with the following steps. Once the sterile dressing package is opened, remove the dressing and vac drapes using an aseptic technique. The foam dressing is cut to the length necessary to cover the incision. Use enclosed ruler to measure incision before cutting, and then cut dressing as needed to fit incision, while ensuring the foam dressings and seals meet with no gaps. The bottom release liner on the foam dressing is then removed to expose the adhesive seal and white fabric. Add hydrocolloid strips at the ends of the foam dressing to create a continuous seal. Ensure half of the hydrocolloid is on the dressing and half off the dressing. Once the hydrocolloid strips are applied, position the foam dressing until the adhesive seal and white fabric are facing down. Center the foam dressing over the incision. Press down around the length of the adhesive seal to ensure adhesion to the skin. After foam dressing placement is completed, remove release liner 2 before continuing. Repeat the previous step to complete placement of Prevena dressing to cover the remaining section of the T incision. No additional hydrocolloid strip is required at the T juncture. The vac drape is trimmed as necessary. Remove layer 1 from the vac drape to expose the adhesive, leaving the two end sections of layer 1 intact to maintain drape stability during application. The vac drape should be held by the blue handling bars. With the adhesive side down, apply vac drape over the foam and onto intact skin and remove any remaining backing layers. Ensure the drape covers a minimum of 3 centimeters of intact peri-wound tissue. Complete drape application by removing layer 2 and the blue handling bars. Do not pull or stretch the drape before adhering to the skin. Choose pad application site. Give particular consideration to fluid flow and tubing positioning to allow for optimal flow and avoid placement over bony prominences or with increases in the tissue. Pinch drape and carefully cut a 2.5 centimeter hole in the drape near the center of the foam dressing, using a scalpel or scissors. Apply sensor track pad, which has a central disc and a surrounding outer adhesive skirt. Remove both backing layers 1 and 2 to expose adhesive. Place sensor trackpad opening in central disc directly over hole in the drape. Apply gentle pressure on the central disc and outer skirt to ensure complete adhesion of the pad. Remove the pad stabilization layer by pulling back on the blue tab. The dressing application is now complete. Connecting to the Prevena Plus 125 therapy unit. The canister is inserted into the Prevena Plus 125 therapy unit. The upper locking tab will click when canister is secured. Connect the sensor trackpad tubing to the Prevena Plus connector by pushing the connectors together. Twist the connectors to lock. Connect the Prevena Plus connector to the canister. Begin therapy by pressing and holding the on-off button for 3 seconds. A green light on the front of the unit indicates that therapy is on. Prevena Plus customizable dressing can be connected directly to an approved VAC therapy unit. Approved VAC therapy units consist of ActiVac, InfoVac, and VAC Alter therapy units. Connect the Prevena Plus dressing tubing to the VAC therapy unit canister tubing by pushing and twisting the connectors to lock. Ensure clamp on canister tubing is open. Insert the canister into the VAC therapy unit. Set the pressure to negative 125 mm of mercury continuous mode on VAC therapy unit. Begin therapy. To correct a leak on the Prevena Plus incision management system. There are several steps to correct a leak and ensure a proper seal. 1. Press down through the drape onto the adhesive seal all the way around to ensure the seal. Use your fingers to smooth out any creases or wrinkles. 2. Use excess vac drape along the outer edge of the drape to seal leaks. If large wrinkles are present, place vac drape so they run in line along the length of the wrinkle and not across the wrinkle. 3. Ensure that the canister is securely locked in the therapy unit. When canister is installed, a distinct click will be heard indicating it has been properly installed. Check dressing tubing connector at canister. 4. Check tubing connectors to ensure that they are fully engaged and locked.